Hello, welcome back to another episode of my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a TikTok account. Watch this video until the very end so that you won't make any mistake in the process. Before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any upcoming future videos. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up the TikTok app. Now head over to the profile section on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on use phone or email button. Now in this section, you will ask to enter your phone number or your email address. Now if you want to create your TikTok account using your mobile number, then enter your mobile number in this section. But if you want to create your TikTok account using your email address, then go to the next section and enter your email address. Once you enter your phone number, tap on send code button. Now for those who want to create a TikTok account using email, type in your email address and then tap on the next button. Now here you need to drag the puzzle into the place to get verified and continue. Once you get verified, you will send a code to your mobile number. Once you get a code, type a code. Once your code gets verified, you will head it to the next page. Now scroll and choose the birth date. Once you entered your birth date, tap on next button. Here, create a password which must be 8 characters long and must include one letter, one number in it. If you want to confirm your password, tap on eye icon and check the password. Now tap on next button. Here you have to create your nickname. You have option to skip this step. But if you did that, you will be automatically assigned a default nickname. Now if you have typed in your nickname, tap on confirm button. Now from the home page of the TikTok, go to the profile section. Now here you can see you have successfully created your TikTok account. And just like that, you can create your TikTok account. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. I will be back soon with more videos. Thank you for watching.